Ruby ORJIAKOR married the wrong guy. That guy is nothing but a player. That guy is nothing but an opportunist who wants to use Ruby to make it in Nollywood industry.
What did I just hear now? Radio or whatever you call yourself. Did you do your verification very well? Did you ask questions? This is Moc Madu'S sister. We know they do church. My brother is a camp guy. Ruby married the best husband. He married the best husband. Did you do your verification very well before coming online to say nonsense? I'm going to my father's house. Now this is my husband's house. This is my house. I'm going to my father's house now to show you Moc Madu'S mansion. Moc Madu is not somebody that makes noise or comes on social media to make noise. He doesn't live extravagant life. That is why I love him and respect him so much as my brother. So, radio homo, whatever you call yourself, do your findings very well. Do your findings before you come online and start deceiving people. Before you come online and start deceiving people. So I'm coming for you. I'm heading to my father's house now to show you Moc Madu'S mansion. Did you ask questions? This is Adam name of Madu. Adam Werengabasi. Did you ask questions before coming? I'm ready for you. Radio homo. You're the only one that came out to castigate every good news. Nonsense. Gave Bobrisky money because he wants to do
Oh, yeah.
He said I'm not married. This is my wedding picture and this is my children. I'm married with 3 lovely kids. So I'm married with 3 lovely kids. This is my house. Radio homo. We don't do church. We don't show walking. Anyhow you want, bring it on. I'm waiting for you, Mugu. This is my husband.
Let's go to the other building.
We don't do church. We don't show walking. My brother doesn't make noise. You want to help him. Destiny helper that cannot help himself. Always standing on the wall. Whoa. You come and lie. You cook up stories because you want to get followers. You want to go viral. You don't do that with my family. The Madu'S family, we don't joke with our brothers. Nonsense.
Baby.
Church. Not be church. It's not church.
I have
Radio homo. It's what I call it. That's the nickname I gave you. You don't have respect.
On our phone now.
On our phone. I should call Bobrisky. Here go your chapter. Whatever you call yourself. Radio homo. Did you do your findings very well? Did you do your verification very well before saying rubbish? This is Moc Madu'S house. I mean Moc Madu'S house. Moc Madu know they do church. He's not a talking person. That is why I love him so much. My brother is not somebody that does show or does buka. So radio without battery or radio homo, whatever they are calling you, do your findings very well before you start saying anything. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Oh, yeah.
Before you start saying anything, do your findings very, very well. Radio homo. Did you ask questions? This is Moc Madu'S sister, Daniel. You're a madman. Radio homo. You are busy making noise. This is Moc Madu'S house. This is Moc Madu'S house. Radio homo. Radio homo. Did you ask questions? Radio homo. Did you ask questions? Homo.
So guys, this is Ruby and the Moc Madu we are talking about, and my concern is, why is this Radiogad guy always trying to make a point in people's life? Like, imagine if he is the one being talked about like this. I like the fact that this guy's sister came out for the brother and the wife, not just the husband, the brother, sorry, but the wife. Do you understand? You claim that you like Ruby ORJIAKOR. Why are you saying it in public? You call her now. Are you the only person in Nollywood? Is she not an actress? At least if he's doing something, she will know even before they get married. They did not start knowing today. And even if she knows, is it your business? Like, sometimes I don't know how people tend to just prove a point in things that are not their business. Okay, people know this Ruby ORJIAKOR, the way she, she's a philanthropist, the way she's just a go-getter and a nice person. I've been following her page, I've been watching her page. The girl is loved by people. The way she treats people, she has a sense of humor. Like, she doesn't even do, I'm an actress. When you see someone that is your, a die-hard fan, you just treat the person anyhow. But she has always been taking her own in a bit, and nobody, now that she has decided to settle down, are you saying that all this while she has not been noticing the Moc Madu guy? Okay, now you've seen that not everybody in social media are poor. You're saying that you want to give him money, but then again, this guy is doing very well for himself. Like, the clap back from the sister is no joke, and it will make these guys to just stay back. The girl is a big girl. The girl is living large. She's married to a rich man. You can even tell from the mansion where she's staying. So you cannot just insult her brother and go scot-free. That's why I now start seeing where Radiogad now wrote something. Funny how some people will just make assumptions that are not correct, especially. So the guy wrote something. He said, "This man will be scared to play around with my Ruby now. I don't put fear for the weary body, and I don't dash the upcoming actor. Small film too. He must stay loyal in that marriage. In Jesus' name. Ruby ORJIAKOR, I love you." I feel like he's all the whole comeback from the sister now. He don't diverse. Forget people they share. So guys, what do you actually think? Do you get? I just want to know. What are your thoughts? I want to see that in the comment section. He now came and wrote, "Ruby, beautiful bride. Map go to full option. No worry. If your husband do anyhow for this marriage, just report him to me." Can you imagine? This our social media is just making me laugh out loud. But if you're watched to this point, thank you guys so much. If you're new here, kindly click the subscribe and notification button. Let us be friends. And if you're not a subscriber, thank you guys so much. See you guys in my next video. Bye.